So what are time frames and why are they so important when investing? I'm going to share my screen with you in a minute and go over all the different examples that I have to share. And I want to showcase to you that not only can you do this by being a day trader, a swing trader, or a long-term investor, why it's so important to use time frames and different types of time frames as well. So there are many different time frames. There is the, as you can see down here, the 1 minute, the 5 minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, day, week. They even have month, year, quarter. Okay. Now, it's effective to be able to know how to use these time frames to set up your trading plan. Now, I also have a video on how to create a trading plan, what candlesticks are, if you're not even sure what a Japanese candlestick is, and some other great information like setting up a watch list and creating alerts. Check those videos out after you watch this one if you haven't already. But time frames are important. As you can see here, we pulled up Meta, okay, aka Facebook. We pulled up Meta, and these are all 1 minute candlesticks. Now, 1 minute candlestick can be important for many day traders out there. And it identifies that when the market opened, this candle sold off. The next couple of minutes, it went up, and then the following 4th or 5th minute into the market, it sold off. Okay, red candles indicate that it is a bearish or indication of a sell-off. It means it's creating a newer low. And green candles showcase that it is a green bullish candle or signs that it is going up. Now, these are important to identify as day traders. But say I want a bigger picture when it comes to the direction of where the market is going. Well, maybe a 5-minute candle would be better for most day traders or swing traders. As you can see, in 5 minutes, it had 2, 3 really good candles. This 5-minute candle that went from 462 up to 467. Now, for long-term investors, and if you're just wanting to get a bigger picture, I like to use the 4-hour chart. Now, the 4-hour chart tells me a little bit more of what the direction of the company is moving at a whole. You can day trade and see a 5-minute green candle here and then see 2 really bad red candles showing signs of a downward trend. I wouldn't buy up here, right, at these resistance levels. So it actually helps to know the different stages and the different types of time frames to use to your benefit. Okay. Now, again, on the 1 minute, it looks like it's going up, right? Oh, I can make a small day trade here and I can get some money, say, from here to here, it goes up 1%, but the overall picture would indicate that it's actually going down. Okay, so if you're day trading, it'd be a good thing. If you're swing trading, it might be a bad thing. Now, this is a 4-hour chart. I like to use this to identify support and resistance levels. Identifying the support level here to where it is now, you could have made a 11% profit in 9 days by simply using the 4-hour chart. Now, you can also look at the day, and this actually on the WeBull app shows you different patterns like price crossing moving average, momentum, moving average convergence, divergence on the MACD, and these will give you good indications of whether whether they think this company is either short-term bearish, long-term bearish, short-term bullish, and stuff like that. So those signals definitely help, and you can see those on the daily time frame. Now, they even have a weekly time frame, which means each candle represents 1 week. Okay, that's just why I like to use the 4-hour candle the most, or the 4-hour time frame the most. Now, if you guys want to see or if you found value in this, definitely subscribe to the channel and smash that like button. Also, check out some of the other videos I mentioned a little earlier, and also check out the video I have on support and resistance levels, how to create them, why they're important, and how you can use them to make more money. I appreciate you guys' time. Definitely check out our first link in the description below. This will give you access to our trading tools, such as the most recent earnings releases, real-time economic calendar, advanced real-time charts. So if you don't have WeBull, MooMoo, or Robinhood yet, and you just want to kind of play around with some charts, You definitely can do that with this. You can simply just type in, Meta, that's the company that we were looking at just now, and you can look at real life charts. As you can see here, they even have the time frames right up here in this corner. So very useful. You could even add indicators if you want, like the moving average and the the RSI, and you could really play around with it if you don't have WeBull. Also show you some 3 stages reversal, 3 stages of position size, and some other great benefits when you get in on this site. It's 100% free, so definitely check it out if you haven't already. And with that said, you will be able to start growing that account and making better decisions as an investor. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will see you all in the next video.